Enjoy morning. For breakfast, sunny side up eggs and spam. My love, good morning. My love, get up na and eat breakfast. After 3 days off, back to work na naman today. I just stayed home, guys, since Sunday. But kahit sa house lang ako, I was busy with household chores and happy ako kasi nakapag-rest ako. Pag Golden Week kasi saan ka magpunta, crowded. Kaya, ayun, tsaka magastos din. Kaya sa bahay lang ako. Toner. Brightening serum. Day cream. Sunscreen. Leave-in treatment. Bango. Take care, my love. Love you. Magre-retinol ako tonight, guys. Ito yung gamit ko from Lux Organics. So, kailangan moisturizer muna, and then itong retinol cream, and then moisturizer ulit. Walay na. Kawawa naman yung lotion. Lux Organics Retinol Gluta. This is lightening, firming, and hydrating. This is one of my favorite serum lotion, guys, from Lux Organics.